Okay, now we are going to discuss the another problem of gas turbine. Here, this is the problem. In a constant pressure open cycle gas turbine, air enters at one pressure 1 bar and the temperature 20 degrees Celsius, and the leave this compressor at 5 bars. Using the following data, the temperature of gas is entering the turbine is 680 degrees Celsius and the pressure of loss of the combustion chamber 0.1 bar. So here the efficiency of compressor 85%, efficiency of turbine 80%, and efficiency of combustion 85%. Gamma is given the 1.4 and the Cp 1.024 kilojoule per kg per Kelvin for air and gas. Find the first one, the quantity of air circulation of the plant development 16065 kilowatt. So 1065 kilowatt. Quantity of air circulation is nothing but that is the mass of air, ma. And next, heat supplied per kg in the circulation. And third one is the thermal efficiency of the cycle, mass fuel and maybe neglected. So see that here is the given already, here is the given the pressure 1 bar. So here the P1 1 bar, temperature, here the temperature 20 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature 20 degrees Celsius, convert into the Kelvin. So 20 plus 273 convert into the Kelvin, 293 Kelvin. And P2 pressure 5 bar, here the given pressure 5 bar. So P2 is equal to 5 bar, and T3 the highest temperature, that is the temperature of gas entering the turbine. That time when the gas is entering to the turbine, that time the high temperature. So 680 degrees Celsius, convert into the Kelvin, 600 plus 273 953 Kelvin. And here the efficiency of compressor 85 degree, so 0.85. Efficiency of turbine 80%. See that here the turbine efficiency 80%, 0.8, and the combustion efficiency also given. So here the combustion efficiency 85%, so combustion efficiency 85%, 0.85. So here the Cp is given, and the gamma is equal to 1.4. Power developed by the plant, P is equal to 1065 watt, and P3 is equal to, so P3 means that pressure loss is here that 1.4 bar. In the combustion chamber the pressure should be lost 0.1 bar. So that is the pressure 5 minus, yani P2 minus pressure combustion chamber pressure loss in combustion chamber 0.1. So P3 is equal to 5 minus 0.1 is 4.9 bar. So P4 is equal to 1 bar. This is the given, and now this is the to find is given in a questions already. This is the to find 1 2 3. Quantity of air circulation, ma, heat supplied per kg air circulation, thermal efficiency of the cycle. This is the efficiency of symbol of thermal efficiency. See, now before solving these questions we are consider this two diagram. This is the TS diagram. So here is the 1 and 2. First see this one diagram, open gas turbine. See, here is the compressor 1 and 2. So here is also 1 and 2 is the compressor, and at this point, one point is temperature is given, T is equal to T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin is given. And next go for the T2. So T2 is not given, temperature is not given. Then the after at this point is a compression, air is compression, and then here is this point is expansion. So here is the compression is T2, the air is compressed here. So here is the T2. So also we have to find the T2 dash also. Here the we have to find T2 and T2 dash. And here the pressure is given, P2 pressure is given. Here the P1 pressure 1 bar. Here is the P2 pressure 5 bar. And at this point the pressure P3 is 4.9 bar. So 5 minus 0.1. So we are getting the 4.9 bar. So this is the, and this is the 4 dash. This one the 4 dash. So definitely first we have to consider that this process 1 2, this 1 2 process, here is the 1 and 2 process. So this 1 and 2 process isentropic compression. Already I told you at this place the compression, at this place is expansion. So here the isentropic compression. This is the formula of isentropic compression formula. T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. So if you don't know the formula, see that here T2 by T1 and P2, this is the P2 by P1. to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. This is the isentropic at this place, isentropic compression. So here cross multiplication T2 is equal to T1 P2 by P1 under bracket gamma minus 1 by gamma, and all the value is given, substitute in these equations. So T2 is equal to T1 is equal to 293 into P2 5 bar and P1 1 bar. So gamma value 1.4, 1.4 minus 1 and 1.4. After calculate this one, we are getting that temperature T2 464 Kelvin. So after that, go for the next compression. Efficiency of compressor. This is the compressor here, 1 and 2. This is the compressor. Here is also 1 and 2 compressor. So using this efficiency of compressor, we have to find the temperature T2 dash. See that here how to the compressor T2 minus T1. See that here T2 minus T1 and divided by T2 dash minus T1. So T2 minus T1 divided by T2 dash minus T1. So compressor efficiency of compressor is given there. Efficiency of compressor is given 0.8. T2 value 464 minus T1 value 293 divided by T2 dash and T1 value 293. So after calculate this one, we are getting the T2 dash 494 Kelvin. So next process 3 4 here is the 3 and 4. So this process 3 or 4 here we are consider, here are 3 or 4. Here is this point or this point is expansion. So isentropic, here is this point is expansion, isentropic expansion. Here is also isentropic expansion. So in this isentropic expansion process 3 4, definitely here the T4 by T3 is equal to, here the P4 divided by P4 divided by P3 P4 divided by P3, this one P4 divided by P3. So here isentropic expansion, this is also formula of the isentropic expansion. T4 by T3 is equal to P4 by P3 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. So T4 is equal to T3, this one after substituting this all the given value, T3 953 under root 1 by P under bracket P4 1 and P3 4.9, 1.4 minus 1 is 0.4 divided by 1.4. After calculating this one, we are getting the temperature T4 605 Kelvin. So this is the temperature of T4 at this point, temperature of this point. And next we have to find the temperature T4 dash, this one, this T4 dash temperature. Here is also temperature T4, here is also temperature T4 dash. So T4 we are getting here, and T4 dash we have to find. So here the efficiency, here is the turbine, here is also expansion turbine. So efficiency of turbine T3 minus T4, see that here T3 minus T4 dash divided by T3 minus T4. So right here the efficiency of turbine T3 minus T4 dash divided by T3 minus T4. So the efficiency of turbine is given 0.8, and here that T3 is also given and T4 is not given. So T3 is given. So after calculating this one, we are getting that T4 dash is equal to 674.6 Kelvin. So after that we have to find the compressor work. So this is the compressor work. Work formula Cp under bracket 2 T2 dash minus T1. So Cp value is given and T2 dash is given. All values substitute in this equation and find the compressor work. So here the compressor work. After that compressor turbine work also Cp, because the turbine is there, so definitely T3 or T4 compressor is there, so we have to consider the T2 and T1 and T2 dash, and compressor turbine is there, so definitely turbine is there, so definitely we have to find T3 and T4 we have to consider here. So here Cp T3 minus T4 dash. So all the given values substitute in this equation and find out the turbine work. So after that we know that the turbine net work is equal to turbine work minus compressor work. So turbine work is given and compressor work is given. After calculate this one, we are getting that net work 79.3 kilojoule per kg of air. So we know that this one formula P is equal to MA into net work. So P is nothing but the power developed. So P is equal to 1065 is given, MA mass of air, work net is equal to, or net work is equal to 79.3, this one. So after calculate this one, we are getting that mass of air, this 13.43 kg. So this is the mass of air, quantity of air circulation. This is the first one answer. After that see that after that heat supplied per kg of circulation. So heat supplied Cp into T3 minus T2 dash. So heat supplied is only here at this portion, here heat supplied is there, or here is heat rejected, here is heat supplied. So we have to consider here only. So here heat supplied Cp into T3 minus T2 dash by air efficiency of combustions. All the value is given, substitute in these equations, and heat supplied, we are getting that heat supplied 552.9 kilojoule. After thermal efficiency of the cycle, work output by heat supplied. So thermal efficiency, work output is given 552, is substitute here, and the work output is given there. Work output is given 79.3 kilojoule. After calculating this one, we are getting that the thermal efficiency 0.1434 or 14.3%. This is the answer. Thank you very much.